My name is Brock Taskanak, and I'm a prosthodontist from Fort Lauderdale, Florida. So porcelain fused to metal prosthesis is a metal frame inside and a porcelain overlay outside. This bridge combines two technologies. One that is well proven and has been used since 1950s, and then the other one is very recent that uses digital dentistry. We came up with a new technology where we can fabricate very light metal frame, so the overall prosthesis, the weight of the overall prosthesis is very light. In addition to that, it's very fracture resistant, and also we can fabricate them very thin. All those provide the patient better speech, better taste, better aesthetics, better function, and longevity. So if you would like to learn more about our in-house fabricated prosthesis, please feel free to call us and see how we can improve your smile and the quality of your life.